Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you inside of the Not Taught at School University, and I'll also share with you a bit of a backstory to this and how it all came about. So 3 months ago I decided I was literally going to stop creating content on YouTube and TikTok and all of these other platforms, and I was going to focus purely on this over here. Now, inside of the university, this is a complete training program for making money online. Not only is it a complete training program for you with, videos over the shoulder, case studies, live examples, printouts, PDFs, and lots more. The whole thing around this will be geared around this over here, which is the community. Now, over on this Facebook group here, you can see it's called the University. When I first come up with the idea for creating this product, I didn't want to just go out there and create it on my own. So I went ahead and created a better group of testers with people who are already making money online and also absolute beginners. And then what's happened is, over the last few months, as this whole course here has been getting built, we've been getting feedback from the community. I've added sections in that they've recommended. I've also removed bits. But overall, this here will be a complete, as I've mentioned, a complete resource and tool for making money online. And why do I say that? Well, not only do we get access to everything that's inside of here, we'll also have people who are working on a similar journey as us. So, we will be able to speak to people who are already making money online. We'll also be surrounded by people who are, have similar goals and visions. And it doesn't matter which method you're going into, whether you're interested in starting your own online agency, whether it's YouTube or affiliate marketing, Printables, TikTok, creating a course, freelancing, e-commerce, and there's lots of stuff inside of here. So this is what it looks like inside of the Not Taught at School University. Now, over time, there's going to be new modules and training drip fed in here as well, okay? But at this moment in time, at the beginning, this is how it looks. So we have a start here section. Now in here, obviously, we have a welcome, and we also have links to the Facebook group and other bits. But then after that, before we dive into any of the content down here, we have a mindset section. Now in here, I share, why mindset's important. I share some actual examples, and then I also share another example from YouTube, of actually earning money. And I also cover, what I was doing wrong in the beginning. So we've got a full section here on mindset. We've got building self-confidence, a winning mindset, eliminating self-beliefs, and lots more. But then after that, we're actually going into the content. So on here, we can start, basically you can start wherever you like. Now originally, when we was building out the university with the Facebook group, we ummed and ahed about, do we drip feed the lessons? Do we have like a 5-day and then a break, or do we drip feed lessons every other day? But essentially, the overall thing we decided on was where we are now, where you can basically get access to all of this all in one go, and all of the tools and resources are there for you. And then you can also come over into the community and chat to other people and get hints and tips and other things. But this is just an example for you. So in the starting an online agency section, which is without doubt an incredibly simple way to make money online, we always have this. We have a getting started section, okay? So in this bit here, we go over this, why we should do this, deciding who to work with. I've got links to documents I use in my own online business. Then we've got using keywords to find clients, how to use Facebook to find clients. I even go over a live example, and then we go over how to contact the business, giving something away for free, which is a foot in the door with a company who you can work with. Then we come down here, what do you need to start? Nothing, basically. You can do this whole method absolutely for free, okay? So that's getting started. So once you've got started, then we can look at different resources and different things we can offer local companies. So in here, look, we have got about this section, Google My Business, how to rank in the free pack, linking out to additional resources, Google My Business rankings, listing scrapers, and there's lots in there. Then after that, we've also got additional simple services that you can offer to different clients. And again, there's links in here to different tools and resources inside of that section there. We also have free resources, so how to get certified with Google and also with Facebook. So you can get Google certified, and here's a cool thing, it's absolutely free. And then we've also got a section on here whereby we are running paid ads for clients. And again, I did an actual example on here. And then we've got a full section down here of going through this. That's just one section inside of the university that is starting an online agency. But perhaps you're not interested in that. Perhaps you're interested in going over to Fiverr and making money on that platform. So in here, we've got over £6,000 in 3 months. Now, I personally don't make money on Fiverr, so I couldn't put something in there myself. So what did I do? I outsourced it. I brought somebody in who's actually making money on the platform. So in this example over here, £6,000 in 3 months, we have a full section on this. So I'll give you an overview of this, but then I hand over to someone who's actually making money with this, and he shares his earnings and he walks through the whole process. After that, we look at different things which require 0 skills and also free tools that you can use. And again, there's lots inside of here that we're covering and linking out to. That's in the Fiverr section. And then we've also got additional ways that you can make money on Fiverr. And then look, I'm not going to go into every section for you because there's a hell of a lot in here. So as I've mentioned, we cover starting an online agency. We've got YouTube products and training, lots of content in here. We've got Printables, so again, we cover everything for you. We've got TikTok products. We've also got affiliate marketing, all in here. We've got creating a profitable course. We've got Fiverr. We've got eCommerce, so a full section on making money with eCommerce. This includes retail arbitrage, drop shipping, ecom profits, starting with Amazon FBA. Then we've also got different softwares that you get absolutely for free. And then I've included some case studies inside of here for you. And then the final one is this down here, which is reseller licensed products. So what have I done there? Well, I've actually bought products with PLR rights, which basically means inside of the university, you get them completely for free. And you can see here, look, about this section, we've got all of these different products in here whereby you can sell them, you can make money with them, you can give them away to build your own email list, you can use them as a landing page, anything basically to grow your email list or to make money. And again, there'll be new products dripped in here throughout the coming weeks and months. And moving forward, I'll be getting feedback from the community over here to decide what products we are going to include in here. And then moving a bit further down the line, we've got some different experts lined up to come in here. We've also got some additional softwares we're going to be adding and lots more. But overall, I genuinely think in terms of this here, if you are interested in making money online, or you want to learn from people who are actually doing these methods and earning online and be surrounded by people in a community, I don't think you'll find a better course for this. I genuinely don't think so. Now, the other thing I want to mention about this university here is the price point for this was also decided inside of the Facebook group, okay? And I've just highlighted this over here. So you can see, look, the price point will get a lot of interest from people who it's designed for. Bringing in experts sounds awesome. Then we've got someone down here, look, it's an affordable price for most, but it's very cheap. Come down here, look, I think it's too cheap. This was the overall feedback from the group, that the pricing for this is far too cheap. But at the same time, whilst it's cheap, I want this to be accessible to as many people as possible. So it's going to be at a price for a week. After the week, it's going to increase slightly, and then who knows what it will be in the future. But we can see here, look, this was some feedback in the group. The online agency section was awesome. This could easily sell as a standalone course for more than what you're planning on charging for access to the university. So we can see inside of here, this is a product which has been built with a group of people. We've taken feedback on this, and literally I'm looking forward to seeing where this whole product is in 6 months and a year from now, because as I've mentioned, this over here is just the starting point for the university. Over time, it's just going to get bigger and better. So yeah, that is everything inside of the Not Taught at School University. If you have any comments or questions about this, please leave them down below. If you want to come over to my own Facebook group, it's called Not Taught at School. You can come over there and reach me there and ask me any questions. And also, as a side note, if there's anything else you would like to see inside of the university, then again, drop those comments down below. So yeah, that concludes today's video. Like I say, I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a like. If you've got any questions, let me know. But as always, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.